Oh, what's up, guys? Yes, sir. We got another mod for the Camaro. Real quick, super simple video. I'm gonna show y'all what we doing. And we talking about these ugly yellow lights right here. Yeah, they probably look white beyond, but they yellow. So, I actually noticed this. The last video y'all saw, I saw the car from behind for the first time. And these yellow lights still look like a sore thumb. So, I got some Diode Dynamics LED HP5 LED bulbs for the Camaro. This should be a super easy install, guys. I'm gonna show y'all the before really quick. Y'all can see the yellow, that's before, and then we're gonna show y'all the after. But basically you just take like a flathead and there's like a little tab right up in here. You just stick this in there, push it out. Sorry guys, I guess my camera died. Yeah, let me show you outside. Actually, we just got a cold front came through today. Look at this. It is raining and like cold. Like it was like 80 Wednesday, Thursday was like 75. Today it's like 50. And it's like gusty wind, cold, rainy. Yeah, definitely want to be outside in that today. So let me just go ahead and get this done really quick. Here we go. Take it here. So there's a tab right in here. Press right there. Pull it down. Show y'all the tab. Right here, this little thing right here. You literally just press on that with a flathead screwdriver. Right there, this right here. Come out. So I believe this just comes off with a simple 180 twist. Yep, like that. Now that's off. Take the bulb, pull it out. Old bulb, a new bulb. Let's put it in. Should don't fit. There we go. Now, before we put the housing back on, of course, you want to make sure it works. There it is. Y'all can see. Super bright, man. A lot better, too. So, take this, put it back. Is that in there? Okay, I got it back. That's not the right way. Let me see. It still works. Just push it back. Oh, there we go. I'm not going to lie. I had trouble getting that thing structure back in there, but there y'all can see the difference. New bulb, old bulb. Now let's just go ahead and finish up, and that's it. All right guys, and there it is. And yeah guys, that is it. Now the only thing I just noticed when I was putting that back, you really have to push that connection back together to get it to lock in that housing. Yeah, but other than that, super easy mod. There you go. If you want some LED bulbs for your Camaro or anything else, there it is. There you see it. I'll catch y'all next one, baby. Peace.